zone on the defensive end.
Yeah, so let's give credit to their coaches. They prepare their teams well, motivating their guys to give that consistent effort.
Here's Rollins. Duran pulls it in. And it's Cunningham with the ball for the Pistons. It's a three-point game. Pass to Duran. And he gets it to go.
And that's how you lead a team, literally.
Here's Giannis. And the layup's good off the glass.
And you love watching Giannis operate inside. So assertive and forceful.
And let's go to the sideline. Here's Allen.
Well, I had a chance to talk with head coach Doc Rivers. I asked him what his thoughts were on Cade Cunningham, and he said Cade is extremely talented. He's got great size. He plays under control. He's one of those guys that makes his teammates better. It's easy to see why he initiates so much of their offense. Kevin?
Terrific, Allie. We appreciate the report. Here's Harris. And slam dunk by Harris.
And I understand that people might not realize this, but he's 6'7". You cannot forget about his bounce because he's got some.
The Pistons with a quick start to this game. Here's Cunningham. And then Cunningham with the dunk.
And on that drive, Cunningham utilizing that athleticism, blitzing the defense the moment he sees an opening.
The shot by Rollins, no good. To the middle. Here's Harris. His second shot goes in, off to a good start, 2 for 2.
We're used to seeing Harris from the outside, but Tobias, he can step up. He's got the size to do some work down low.
From deep, onto the Kumbo. Robinson pulls it in. Detroit leading by 7. And look at what he's done over the last few years, Greg. Is Giannis still getting better?
The numbers say yes. Field goal percentage, points per game. He's still a double-digit rebounder, an all-time great, breaking new ground. And not allowing the shooter even an inch of breathing room on that one.
I'm sure they'll think twice about shooting against him next time.
Displaying intensity right off the opening tip, especially on the offensive end.
They came out swinging, really setting the tone on offense, and the opposition has not been able to respond.
Well, he is looking confident. Love how they're using him so far.
Yeah, when he gets engaged this early in the game, it's bad news for the defense. He can roll this start throughout the rest of the game.
Here's Green, and it's wide right. It's off the rim. Here's Thompson, and he goes right over Kyle Kuzma and slams it down.
And his athleticism is really off the charts. Love seeing Thompson punching home like that.
Giannis outside. Off target with his 3. Detroit leading by 11. Cunningham with it. Picked up by Kuzma. And Duran slams it in.
Really seizing the momentum of this game, but doing it with a methodical approach.
Yeah, they haven't appeared in a rush at all. They are just playing to their strengths and building this lead out well.
On the wing, Thompson.
Hey, yo, right here.
26 seconds left to play in the first. And Robinson wide open. He shoots. Good, and the assist goes to Cunningham.
Excellent all-around performance so far, hence the big lead.
They got off to such a hot start, and that can keep you energized throughout the whole game.
Knocks down the 3 ball. Here is Cunningham. Outside Robinson. And again, it's the Pistons from deep.
3. The replay. Come at us, and we're coming right back in.
Yeah, I love the competitive fire right there. You drain a triple on us, and I'm...
Detroit, 25.
And glad to have you with us, folks. Second quarter of basketball. This game has not exactly been neck and neck, but plenty of time left in this one. And a comfortable margin for the Pistons here, guys.
Well, the offense is clicking, and they seem to have seized the momentum here early on.
Credit the game plan coming in. They've identified some weaknesses, and they are exploiting them.
And the basket by Harris.
That's just smart basketball right there, finding a way to get a high percentage shot on offense.
Detroit leading by 12. Pass to Duran. Harris looking it over. Now here's Cunningham. And the Pistons getting another bucket right there.
Effective from the mid-range. For Cunningham, it's about shooting with confidence.
Outside for Robinson. And another three for Detroit.
Unwilling to let up even for a moment. That's his killer instinct, just fanning the flames.
Always plays hard until the final whistle, no matter what the situation is.
And now Allie LaForce has something for us from the sideline.
Thank you, guys. Well, the Bucks want to capitalize on their bigs. Coach Doc Rivers said, one advantage we have is our size, and the slower the game gets, the bigger we get. So taking opponents out of transition, making it a half-court game, allows us to be a big basketball team. Kevin, back to you.
Leveraging all that size. Hey, Allie, thank you very much for the report. Lobbed up there for Thompson. And it's Thompson with the jam.
Assisted by.
And when he lets the athleticism take over, Thompson can do almost anything.
Milwaukee, no good that time either.
No matter what looks they get, they just can't convert to stop this run.
This is snowballing for them. They've got to get a good look next time.
And it's blocked. They recover it. It's stolen by Harris. Cunningham inside. He's got 15. Robinson for three. And it goes out of bounds. That one off Robinson. The Bucks really having a tough go here. Here's Giannis. Counting. Giannis has got 8 points.
And in dropping that one, he stops a 13-0 run by Detroit.
Pass to Duran. It's stolen by Anthony. Inside. Here's Antetokounmpo. That's another one for him. His 5th in just 7 shots.
And those are the kind of nice inside looks they've gotten here in the first half.
Here's Duran. Good, and the assist goes to Cunningham. He's got 6. And again, Giannis Antetokounmpo.
Every aspect of Giannis's game showing tonight, just unreal.
Down low. Back to Cunningham. And GA, you know, some people argue that defense has declined in recent years. Would you agree?
I think mostly it's just harder to defend in today's game. You have to cover so much more ground, and with the lack of physicality, it just makes it more challenging.
Come get it, come get it.
1:11 left in the second quarter. And foul on the shot. He'll shoot 2 at the free throw line.
First personal foul.
It's on Cole Anthony.
Tough stuff from Cunningham inside during the foul and able to get that one off.
Beyond the arc. Good on the triple.
If you're not right up there on him, oh, he's going to make you pay.
Cunningham outside for 3. Harris traps in the tray. Harris has got 7 points in the game.
You can just see how decisive Harris is, effective at catching passes and just firing it quickly.
And it turns out it's going to be a foul. He was hoping for a clean block, but the officials felt otherwise, so we'll see some free throws here. The Bucks shooting their initial free throws of the game right here. He hits the second from the line. And Detroit has possession. Now, here's Cunningham. 16 points for him. Pulls it from the elbow. Antetokounmpo pulls it in. Here's Rollins. Milwaukee, no good that time either. And here's Cunningham. Over onto the Kumbo. And no good on the last second attempt this time. A dominating first half of basketball, and so far hasn't been close. Pistons ahead, delivering the blowout. And we'll be back right after halftime for the start of the third quarter. We'll see you in a bit. And there wasn't too much drama in the first half, but maybe things will tighten up here in the second. Turner, great positioning on the putback.
The effort points by Turner, working hard inside, getting rewarded with some points.
Pass to Jenkins. His three-pointers off the mark.
And I thought that was going to drop. It looked good from here.
And here's Giannis. The Bucks working the ball around. Pocket 6. It's Kuzma top the key. The 3. Here's Giannis. Pass to Rollins. Fires the 3. Nailed from three-point land.
No one there to contest, so he just drops it in like he's at the rec league.
And so the timeout here by J.B. Bickerstaff. He's ready to talk things through with them.
Substitution. Number 7, Paul Reed.
Here's Jenkins. And here in the second half of play, we're just over a minute in. Pass to Holland. From outside, off the mark. Five to shoot. And the shot falls short this time. Bucks trailed by 18.
Out of bounds. Bucks ball.
And that'll be Milwaukee as it goes out of bounds. Bucks retain possession. Turner looking around. Pass to Antetokounmpo. Here's Rollins. Kuzma left side. Just 5 to shoot. Antetokounmpo, no good. Detroit lead by 18. Now Levert. It's up a 3. Up again. Antetokounmpo pulls it in. Here's Green. And he gets the whistle. 2 free throws coming up.
Harris Levert.
Milwaukee shooting their third and fourth free throw attempts of the game. And he knocks down the first one. So for the Pistons, that one is no good. Thompson, left side. Pass to Cunningham. To end the cold streak. And then Cunningham with the dunk.
I love the mentality of Cunningham tonight, looking for his shot, and boy, is he producing.
Good on the bucket.
Cade Cunningham.
Cunningham's got 4 points this quarter.
When you allow good scorers to get uncontested shots at the rim, no wonder you're losing.
That's a great possession. Put your best players in a position to succeed.
Turner with the screen. And here's Green outside. Rebounded by the Pistons. Earlier in the game, they held a 25-point lead. Outside Robinson. And a wide open look for Cunningham. They get it back.
2 minutes.
And there's the call on Giannis Antetokounmpo.
Bucks
That is his first foul of the game.
Giannis Antetokounmpo. First personal foul. First team foul.
Cunningham looking it over.
Into the lineup for
Sweet
Milwaukee.
move. And that one off the back of the rim and in. Cunningham's got 22.
And I like how composed Cunningham lets the game and his shots come to him.
That's in, coming off the assist from Thompson.
And his stroke has been dead on from the outside. I mean, inside, outside, it just doesn't matter.
And the wide open shot from Green. Milwaukee, no good that time either. And here are the Pistons. Good momentum, 8 straight points. Cunningham. Outside for Robinson. Cunningham for 3. The rebound by Turner. Green, bounce pass. Kuzma with it. Robinson picks him up. From deep, Green. Again, the miss by Green. And it's Cunningham with the ball. Detroit. They lead by the biggest margin of the game, 25.
And really with a pass-first mentality, Cunningham, the type of player that you like to play with.
And it's sent back by Turner. It's stolen by Duran. Cunningham with it. He's got 24. Out to Harris. Pass to Robinson. 6 on the shot clock. Buries it from three-point range. Robinson's got 12 in the game.
Just such a well-rounded offensive player. He's got a little bit of everything.
On the wing, Green. For the three. No good that time. Doesn't go that time. And so is Detroit with a massive lead of 30 points here at the end of the quarter. Defensively, they have gotten after it, contesting every shot going up. We'll return shortly. And as we head into the fourth, we'll see if there's a comeback in the works or if it's more of the same from the first 3 quarters. And here's Detroit to the inside. And Duran slams it in.
He gives up a bit of size at the center position, but his leaping ability, well, let's just say that makes up for it.
And the Pistons with possession here. Cunningham for 3. Drains it from beyond the arc. Cunningham's got 11 points here in just the second half.
Well, part of their game plan was to block out the noise and just stay focused.
Oh, yeah, they're doing a terrific job not giving this hostile crowd anything to cheer about.
And the Bucks miss again. Detroit dictating the flow. To the paint. The Pistons working the ball around now. Harris outside. Pass to Robinson. Down to 5 on the shot clock. And a miss there on the triple. It's stolen by Cunningham. There's the lob to Duran. Onto the Kuhn ball with the steal. Whistle blows. Bucket is good. And he'll have a chance at the line to make it a 3-point play.
Just simply overpowers the defense. Giannis flexing that near 7-foot frame.
And that one misses. Cunningham for 3. Gets it to go from beyond the arc. Cunningham's got 6 here in this quarter.
He's just stretching them out. The defense has got to do a better job of staying attached to him.
And the lack of defensive pressure on shots like that is a big reason they're down by double digits.
Come at us, and we'll come right back at us.
Yeah, I love the competitive fire right there. You drain a triple on us, and I'm coming for my revenge.
A one-man show offensively, and that's almost always good news for his team.
On the wing, Thompson. Misses the 3. So it's the Bucks now. Pass to Turner. Now Giannis. That ball. Nice speed that time from Turner.
So strong. Giannis has really added some bulk since entering the league. Helps him absorb the contact.
And stolen by Thompson. Driving in. And Thompson throws it down.
Assisted by.
Well, if you don't take care of the ball, fellas, that's what can happen.
Absolutely great. That makes the turnover even more painful.
We know mistakes lead to breaks. That's just textbook right there.
Pass to Duran. And Duran slams it in.
Yeah, he's shown terrific control of the pace and the rhythm of this offense.
He's locked in with his teammates right now, setting guys up in perfect position.
And they double up Cunningham. Harris, no good.
Yes, and with this one winding down, it's obvious to everyone who watched it. Just a total mismatch and a true show of strength for the Pistons.
And this was one that never really was in doubt, I thought, an all-around performance. You kind of thought that maybe even going into the game.
Yeah, there was a sense of that in the men. They just pretty much blew them right out of the water. A clinic was put on display here today.
And you know, looking back at all the contributions tonight, it was a really phenomenal all-around game for Cade Cunningham.
And we can't forget about his effort on defense, specifically how many steals he was able to grab. Just an absolute pest.
Saw the opportunity to put this away and did not turn it down.
And that score probably slams the door for any would-be comebacks. And look, they put this one to bed.
You can appreciate the fight now, but it isn't how they came into the game.
Too little, too late. That final score will look way closer than how this game actually played out.
Back to Robinson. The three. Milwaukee with the rebound. Goes up on the wing. Duran pulls it in. Detroit dictating the flow. From outside the arc, the rebound by Turner. Antetokounmpo looking it over. On deep, Trent. And a great assist by Antetokounmpo as that one goes in.
Rate of baskets assisted, it's a stat I really like. It tells the story of how well you're playing team offense.